color me. Her name is Squiggles N. So it comes with 3 color markers. One is pink, one is purple, one is yellow, and one is orange. And there's 2 stamps. We got a Lalaloopsy color, and we got her butterfly. And you can make lots of different patterns with the markers, or you can just color whatever way you want. She got a butterfly with her, and she has a sponge to erase it, erase her marker, and then you can do it all over again. So this is what it looks like on the back of the box. See, this is when it was already colored, but you can do it your own way. Here it says you can like wipe the marker, and these stamps are easy to do. You just have to color them with your markers and then stamp it on anywhere on your doll, and then you can, like, if you want, you can do stamping first and then coloring, or you can do coloring first or stamping. And here's a picture of her. I can't wait to open her up. She's so pretty, and I like her hair and her bow in her hair. I like her dress. I like her pet, and if you want to know what my favorite colors are on these markers, there's pink and purple. So this is what it comes with. It comes with her doll, a doll. It comes with her pet. It's a butterfly. It comes with the sponge, so when you're done, you can like wipe everything off, and then you can start anew. And we got the 4 markers: pink and purple, yellow and orange. We got 2 stamps. We got a star, we got a heart, we got a circle, and we got another circle. So you have to shake these markers for 30 seconds. So now you have to shake them. So now we're going to shake them, except for this one, because this one's already shaked. So let's go. So now we got the markers shaped, we can color her. And let's go ahead. So the stamps, you just have to color it, maybe. I'm not sure, but we'll try. So now I'm going to stamp with her. I'm going to put it on her dress. So when the sponge is wet, you can wipe it on your doll, and when you make a mistake and when you don't like it there, just like that. So I think this is probably still wet. So I'm gonna like show you guys for like example. So pretend I didn't like this on it. So I would just like wipe it like that. So I had a lot of fun, guys, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye! Oh, hi, Butterfly! Hi! Joey! Now where are you, Butterfly? Come back here. Butterfly, I allow you to come back here. Butterfly! Butterfly, where are you? Come back here. butter, butterfly, butterfly, come back. Oh, there you are. I was flying above your head.